friends, running kimono, and oh my gosh, we have a $10 moneymaker over at Walmart. You know what? If you are an IBOTTA shopper, get to the store tonight to do this deal, and I'm gonna dive into that really quickly. I got a freebie with overage with this Biore strip, so I had found a bunch of these 10-cent sidewalk chalks that are on clearance, so I got them all for free. And then I went back to Walgreens and just repeated a deal that I did on Sunday. So I did it on my husband's store card because it was such a fabulous deal. And then just a couple little deals, including a pack of free pens at Meijer, OMG. Weather report for you guys, it is a blistering 90 degrees here today. So it's hot and miserable. So I'm not really enjoying it. Too hot for this girl. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's staying cool. Okay, so the first store we're going to talk about is Walmart. The product that you're looking for is called U by Kotex, and it's called Security Light Days. So this specific product, it has to be this specific product, guys. So at my Walmart, they're 84 cents each. So what the deal is that if you buy one, you get $3 back from IBOTTA, but it has to be the security. Now, where I found this specific guy, you know, the feminine care aisle where they have all that magic and great stuff, it is towards a bottom shelf where they have all the liners. And this is a liner, but the IBOTTA rebate does not exclude liners, so that's why it worked and scanned beautifully for that. So these guys are 84 cents each. So for 5 of them, it's $4.20. I paid that out of pocket, and then IBOTTA gave me back $3 for each, so I got back 15. So it made it free plus a $10.80 money maker. This one is gonna go very quickly, guys, so I would run out, stat, try to do the deal ASAP. The next little deal that we're going to talk about is with this Biore. It's this little grapefruit and citrus essence. Original price point is $6.47. There is a $2 coupon from the August 8th Smart Source. I only had one of them. I only got one of them, and I really didn't think much of the flyer, but I had a $2 coupon from that Smart Source, so it made this free plus $1 of overage. Now with overage at Walmart, they will not pay you the cash, so you need something to grab the overage. And to my luck, I found a whole display of these Playday, which is a Walmart brand of this kids sidewalk chalk, and there's a lot in there. So the original price for these guys are 97 cents, and they were 10 cents today, and it's part of that summer fun in the sun clearance. So I picked up 10 of them, which is $1, and the overage from this guy paid for my sidewalk chalk. So how cool is that? So a lot of you might be wondering now, like, you made a whole video this morning about the Flintstone vitamins. Like, where is your Flintstone vitamins? Oh my gosh, where is it? I won't be able to sleep tonight. Here's the deal, guys. You know, like, pet food is like really hard to find at certain stores. For whatever reason, children's vitamins, there was nothing left at this Walmart that I visited this morning. So I wasn't gonna like drive another 40 minutes to find some Flintstone vitamins. I would have loved to have gotten some, but it just was not happening for me. I think this is one of those items with the pandemic. It's just not arriving here, so I could not find a single bottle. But if you can manage to score it at Walgreens or Walmart, it's a really good deal. Please check out the video I made earlier this morning if you have little ones that need vitamins. Hey guys, so this is Walgreens, and I made an entire video showing all the coupons and every little greasy detail this morning. If you wish to check it out, I will link it at the very end. I'm just not gonna go through and show you like a show and tell of all the coupons again, because I gotta get this video out today so you guys can get your pads. So I basically bought a $40 basket here. These two little toothpastes are $3.99 a piece, so for 2 of them, that's $7.98. Buy 2, get $4 back in Walgreens cash. The Olay Eczema, this is the fancier line. I guess diamonds and gold come out of it. It's 2 for $16 and we have a 5 off of 2. My mother and I both deal with eczema issues. If you ever have a flare up, you know it's very, very painful. So I got 2 for her, and I'm gonna keep these 2 in my stockpile just in case anything ever happens. It's always a good thing to have. And then the last deal was I got 2 Tide Pods and then 2 Tide Liquids. These guys are $4.95 each. When you buy 4 of them, you get back a $6 register reward. So for this whole basket, the 4 Tides, the 2 Colgates, and the 2 Olays, that's a total of $43.78. Now we have that booster of spend 40, get back 10. Hey, that's a little something for old rage. Now I had that loaded digitally, so I didn't have to worry about scanning anything. I presented a $2 from the August P&G for the Tide Pods and the Tide Liquid, and then I also had a digital for the 2 in the back. I had a $3 coupon for this guy, and then the 5 off of 2 for this. So after the magic of all the coupons, I paid $27.78 out of pocket, not including my tax. And then I got back $18 in Walgreens cash, 10 for spending 40, 4 for this, 4 for that, so that's the 18, plus a $6 register reward for the Tide. So it made this basket $3.78 for the 8 items, or 47 cents each. So not the worst deal, and I've always wanted to try this fancy dancy body wash, so I'm okay with that. Guys, so over at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, those good stores, a lot of the stuff that they have that's been red stickered, it's gone yellow. This happens twice a year, and I found these little AirPod, like to store your AirPods, and it's this Disney theme, which I thought was so super cute. These guys were $1 each, so definitely look through that electronics aisle. I also noticed that there was a lot of Ray Dunn, like in that textile aisle, if you look on the end caps. Ray Dunn is one of those things, I like some of it, but not all of it. And to pay $4, I just can't part with that. If it was $1, I would be all about it. But this was today's winner chicken dinner over at TJ Maxx. The final item that I have is this little pack of, 10 Bic crystal pens. So over at Meijer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest, no sister store to this one, just this one store. These are 99 cents. We have a $1 M perk that makes it completely free. So how awesome is that? Get yourself to Walmart. That is a fire deal, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.